Hello, health buddies. I love oats. Do you? I have been crazy for oats ever since I first tasted these fiber rich cereal grain, and I try to look for ways to include these in my diet. So today I present to you one very easy recipe to make oats ki khatti meethi chutney, or you may call it vegan lemon curd if you want to. So for this recipe I have used sesame seeds or sesame milk. I have soaked them overnight. Soak 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds overnight and then grind them along with the water to paste. And this is what you call sesame milk, and I drink it as is because it's a rich source of calcium and you must include it in your diet, especially in winters. So for this oats vegan curd lemon curd recipe, you may use this sesame milk or you may use the soaked sesame seeds. Now you need 1/4 cup of oats powder, and it's sesame seeds soaked. So this is what I'm referring to. Whether you want to use sesame milk directly here or the soaked sesame seeds, both will work. I have tried both ways. Now add 2 pinches of turmeric powder. That's for color, and turmeric is an antiseptic, antibacterial. Now it's time to add raisins or dates. If you have dates, then you will not need to add jaggery powder, but I did not have dates, but I wanted to include dates here. I did not have dates, so I have used 3 to 4 raisins, but it is completely optional. If you don't have dates or raisins, that's perfectly fine. You can skip them and move on to the next step. Now strain. You can add little more water here. It's quite thick, so I added little more water, and this is what I have got. The next step is to add jaggery powder. I have added 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder for this amount. It's almost half cup of oat milk. So if you want it sweeter, you may add extra amount of jaggery powder, or you may add sweetener of choice. I added little more turmeric for color again, and then you can add clove powder or vanilla powder, whatever you have, or nothing at all. That's again for flavor. Now you need to zest 1 lemon. So we need zest of 1 lemon, and then we'll be squeezing out the juice. I used only half lemon for this. You may add at least juice of 1 lemon. Now cook on medium and continue to stir. Don't forget to stir. And so meanwhile I want to show you what I do every day. This is my routine. This is my regular healthy routine. Get the first rays of the sun, walk daily. What more do you want? And eat healthy. So this holds the key to staying fit, right? So continue to stir it. It will take hardly 2 to 4 minutes to reach the right consistency. It should not get very thick because it will continue to thicken once it cools down. So even at this stage it looks quite thick, so you can keep it of at least pouring consistency. So enjoy khatti meethi oats ki chutney or vegan lemon curd or dairy free lemon curd, whatever you may want to refer to it. I enjoyed it with Turkish bazlama bread. That I'll be putting up the recipe soon of bazlama bread. It is made on tawa and you don't need an oven. This bread is without oven, and I have made it with sourdough. I have become crazy for sourdough. So I hope you like this vegan lemon curd recipe with oats. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Until next time, take care. Bye bye. See you soon.